Welcome to the Technical Writing course assignment 3. Today I'm going to show you how to add columns to a Word document. So first let's get our text. I have a sample piece pre-made from Wikipedia on Albert Einstein. When building columns, one of the things I like to do is really maximize the space on the page. I believe it makes it very easy to read, and the columns need to be wide enough that you're not switching lines every third word. So first off, let's select all the text, and I'm going to align justify. So put the cursor in with the text. I'm going to use Control A. It's quicker this way. It's a very simple task. I'm going to go up to paragraph, select justify, and there we go. Now I'm going to shrink the margins a little, so I'm going to go up to page layout. I'm going to go to margins, and I'm going to choose moderate. Now we have a little bit more column width, as you can see. It goes all the way through. We have about 4 pages. Next, I'm going to switch on the invisible characters option, which is under Home, Show and Hide Paragraph Marks and Other Breaks, it says. There you go. Now, when building columns within Word, you need to make a section break at the beginning and at the end of the area you want to manipulate. So I'm going to manipulate these 3 paragraphs right here. The section break you want to choose is a continuous section break. That way you're able to modify these 3 paragraphs without jumping to the next page. So I'm going to go place my cursor at the beginning of the paragraph I want to turn into a 2-column. Go to page layout, go to breaks, and I'm going to choose continuous section break. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom of the 3rd paragraph and do the same thing. Put my cursor at the end, go to Page Layout tab, go to Breaks, and choose Continuous Section Break. If you noticed, I'm going to zoom out here and scroll up, that there is a continuous section break at the end and one at the beginning. So anything within these 2 section breaks I can change without affecting the rest of the document. So I can highlight these 3 columns, these 3 paragraphs, go to columns and choose the number of columns I'd like. I think 2 will look good. And there we have it. Now personally I think that space between the 2 columns is rather large. I'm going to change that. I'm going to narrow it down to at least half that. So I'm going to go up to columns. I'm going to go down to more columns. And I'm going to choose 0.6 under the spacing menu. This is the width between the 2 columns. As you can see, as this reduced in size, the width of the column actually increased. And I have it apply to selected sections. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to deselect. You can see how it's a lot narrower. You can now see the section break at the top and at the bottom. And if we go to Home and I hide my invisible characters, there you have it. I'm just going to zoom out a little more, scroll up, and there are your 2 paragraphs within a 1-paragraph document. Fairly simple. Alright, thank you very much.